in this video, I want to talk about my old MacBook Pro from 2013. This guy basically has gotten the plague of a dead battery, so I replaced the battery, and here's the old battery. That's the old battery, and I put a new battery in this guy. Unfortunately, now I have a new battery, but it's also still dead. Because it's probably been a couple of years since I had the battery. I ordered it and then I replaced it just recently, so it also wasn't charged. So now I'm going through that amazing process of trying to hold a charge on a new battery or a dead battery by repeatedly charging it, then depleting the battery, then charging it and depleting it. Hopefully this allows it to hold a charge, and then it kind of helps restore the battery life. I've installed Big Sur on it. That's the latest macOS release that runs on my 2013 MacBook Pro, and I've done that by basically keeping it plugged into the charger so it has some power to be able to do some stuff. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now with this whole thing with replacing the battery on an old MacBook. So if in case you were on this journey, you have some insight